Hey guys, thanks for joining another recipe episode from Borden's Bakes. Today I wanted to do a recipe for your weekend, so we're going to make vegetable pakora suitable for step 2 on the 1-to-1 diet. We're going to jump right in, but remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes each week. To get started, you're going to need 206 grams of cauliflower, 146 grams of broccoli, 78 grams of mushroom. Next, 100 grams of gram flour, 50 grams of spring onion, 2 green chilies chopped. Next, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, cumin, ground ginger and turmeric, with 1 teaspoon of low salt and garam masala. Add your cauliflower, broccoli, mushrooms, spring onion and green chilies to a food processor, blitz until fully combined. Once your vegetables finished, add in your spices to the mix and then blitz one more time with your food processor. In a large bowl, add all your ingredients from the mixer. Next, sieve in the gram flour and use a spatula to combine everything together. If the mixture is too thick, add about a tablespoon of cold water to your mix. Add some baking paper to a baking sheet. Divide the mixture into 22 different portions. I've decided to cook some and freeze the others for baking later. Place in the oven at gas mark 5, 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Our veg pakora is now complete. Perfectly crispy veg pakora from Borden's Bakes. And remember guys, if you loved our recipe, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes each week.